RCAT Stock Analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether RCAT Holdings stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. Just observing RCAT Holdings, I'm actually like a big fan of it because it's like it's in this beautiful bullish trend. And the reality is, even like in this video before, I took things up. So it will only like after that broke structure, and it's not a better timing right now than now to take things even higher. This previous price action here is awful, you know, so I'm not a big fan of that. But now if I see this double break here and it gives me the rules, then and only then I'm going to take things up. So yeah, most definitely will continue to keep you updated. Yeah, so not much more than to that. I'm using my strategy that I've spent thousands of dollars over the last 4 years, spent thousands of courses, mentors. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.